Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started with styling in Next.js. So let's get started. So in this video, we'll be styling our application, and this is what we built in the last video. So basically, we have this page, and if you click on the About page, you come to the About Us page, and yeah. And another thing I've added, so we didn't do in the last video, is create this home link. This home link gets us back to the home page, and makes navigation easier. So you can click on these links to come back to the home page, and you can see we don't need to come and click on these buttons. So that's made navigation easier. Now, how do we style this application? So in VS Code, you will see in the styles folder, we have this file called global.css. So in this file, you can type any CSS, and the class styles over here will be applied to all the pages in the CSS. So I'm going to start off by pasting in some CSS. So basically, we are importing Poppins font, and then we are just setting our font family to Poppins and giving it a font weight of 300. So now you can see on both the pages we are getting the Poppins font. Now on the About Us page, I want this to be a little bit bolder. So we could do is just create a class name over here and set the font weight to 600 to make this bold. Or what else I could do is create something called a module file, a module CSS file that basically will be converted to JavaScript, and it will have more features such as it will automatically remove the classes that have not been used. So we'll create this about dot module CSS file, and this file will contain classes, so it will contain the classes, and these classes will automatically be converted to JavaScript. So these classes will be converted to JavaScript, and then we'll use this JavaScript to get this style in our application. So how do we do this? So we'll create a class called content, and I'm going to put the font weight over here to 600. Save this, and then it will come to the About.js page. And because this is JavaScript, we need to import. Now you could import like the classes from /styles /styles about module.css, but I'm going to import the styles because styles makes more sense. So we'll just get this to classes, and now we'll convert this to styles. And on the paragraph, we'll give it a class name, and because this is JavaScript, we'll convert this into two bracket like curly braces, and then put in styles.content, because inside this file over here, so this is about comma module CSS. I want this to be about dot module CSS. So now if you open this file, you can see the class name is content. So now if we run this, here you can see the paragraph has become bolder. Now what if I just come to this file and change the content class to paragraph? Then I'll convert this content over here to paragraph. So same thing, if we refresh also, it will work. So yeah, we have this applied to our About Us page, and our application is looking better. But in the next video, we'll be looking at the app.js file and the how to create layouts in Next.js. So I'll see you in the next video.